Hey guys, it's Ron here again. I want to talk to you about the Evo controller. I want to kind of show you, and I'm learning as well as I'm doing this video, is I'm navigating through the screen. Now, I don't have the app yet. The Evo, the Autel Explorer app is not out yet, and I'm just playing around with the controller real quick, just to kind of get a feel for the controller. So why don't you come on in over here and take a look. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of show you the screen on the controller. And mind you, I'm going to be kind of learning with you. I've gone through this a little bit, but want to get this video out and going. So right here, you gotta push the scroll and push that in, and then it will allow you to get to your settings. And then there's a little blue line. See right there, it says EV right there, and then right there, go into the settings. Hold that, push that. Then you can go to your camera. You can go to your flight, your controller, your vision sensors, or just typical settings. You can reset your camera, reset your SD card on here. You can also, gimbal mode, units, so you can switch it to kilometers or whatnot and change your language. We're not going to get too much into there. You just want to see that, but it's going to your photo mode. Right now it's on single shot, and you can go single shot, burst, time-lapse, or AEB. Video format, you can go JPEG RAW, JPEG or RAW. Your video resolution, you see it's at 4K. You can change that to 720p all the way at the top, 1080p, 2.7K 4K, or 4K plus. Right now we're at 60 frames a second, but we can go all the way down to 24 frames a second. And keep that at 60. Your video standard is the NTSC. Now I'm going to go back, and in order to go back, you got to hit the display button right there, right? So you hit the display button. It allows me to go back to the top and go to, now, the drone. You can go to novice mode. Your home altitude, I have mine set at 98 feet, but I'm going to, again, I haven't really flown, I've only flown it once. My speed limit, you can set your speed limit, 11, 22, or 34 miles per hour. Altitude, it was set at 2391. There's no distance limit. Again, hit the display button, boom, go back to the top. Controller, you can send your command stick modes, and it tells you what mode you want. I have mine set at mode 2, that's pretty standard. I'm going to go back and hit my display button again. And you can do remote control calibration as well on this screen. Your vision sensors, I'm sorry, let me go back, hit the display button. Vision sensors are on, sonar, radar map is on. I'm not going to change that. And then you also have your settings. So guys, I'm pretty excited about this drone, and I hope you guys are too. And if you guys want to see anything specific, please go ahead and subscribe to the page and send me a message, and we'll go from there. But there's more videos coming. Alright guys, so if you want to see something specific, again, go ahead and ask down below. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and click down the link below. And also, there's going to be a pre-order link, or rather order link now, to actually purchase the Evo right down below directly from DroneWorks. And they have plenty of them in stock, so go ahead and get your order in before they sell it out. And then also guys, if you have any specific questions about any drone on the market that you may be flying, go ahead and check out Drones United on Facebook. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Take it easy and have a great day, and happy flying.